The goal of our workshops is really to accelerate you and the team in your reliability journey. Whether you're starting out for the first time or you're a more advanced user, this workshop is really designed for you to take you to the next level. Whether you have some experience with Gremlin or absolutely no experience at all, it's really designed to be a collaborative effort between myself and the group of people that I'm working with to fully understand the fundamentals of Gremlin. When we come in and we do an initial demo and we talk about scenarios and test suites and services, these are all very specific terms to the tool itself. And one of my definitions and one of the things that you're going to walk away with as a result of these hands-on workshops is you're going to be able to speak the language of Gremlin with me, so that when we get into the details of, hey, I have this very specific use case, we can go ahead and apply what we learned in the workshop and then go and approach that problem.